Welcome to Easy English Studio. I'm John.
And I'm Olivia. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, welcome everyone. Today we have a very important topic.
That's right. We are going to learn how to talk about yourself in English.
Introducing yourself is the first step to making new friends.
Or to talk to new people at work or at school. So it's very useful.
Exactly. We will teach you some simple and easy phrases. Are you ready?
Let's begin.
Okay, so the first thing you say when you meet someone is your name.
Right. The most common way to say your name is, my name is.
For example, my name is John.
And my name is Olivia. You can also say, I'm. It's a little shorter.
Yep, so I'm John.
And I'm Olivia. It's simple, right?
Very simple. Let's practice. Say your name now. You can say, my name is, or I'm.
Great. Now, after you say your name, you want to know their name. You can ask, what's your name?
What's your name? Let's say it slowly. What's your name?
Perfect. Now let's talk about where you are from.
Good idea. People often ask, where are you from?
To answer, you can say, I'm from, and then your country.
For example, I can say, I'm from the United States.
And I can say, I'm from Canada. What about you? Try to say, I'm from.
Very good. You can also talk about the city you live in. For that, you say, I live in,
Right. For example, I live in New York.
or I live in Toronto. The question for this is, where do you live?
Let's repeat that. Where do you live? It's a very common question.
So let's review. You can say your name and ask for their name. You can say where you are from and ask where they are from.
Exactly. These are the first steps in any conversation.
Okay, next topic. Let's talk about jobs.
Yes, what you do. People ask, what do you do?
What do you do? This question means, what is your job?
A simple answer is, I'm a, and then your job title.
For example, if you are a teacher, you say, I'm a teacher.
If you're a doctor, I'm a doctor.
What if you are a student?
Then you say, I'm a student. It's the same pattern. I'm a...
That's easy. What about us, Olivia? What do we do?
We are podcast hosts, so we can say, I'm a podcast host.
That's right. You can also say, I work as a, for example, I work as a teacher.
I work as a doctor. It means the same thing.
It does. So 2 easy ways to talk about your job. I'm a, or I work as a.
Yes, try it now. What do you do? Say, I'm a.
Fantastic.
Now for a fun part. Let's talk about hobbies.
Hobbies. Yes, hobbies are things you like to do in your free time.
To ask about hobbies, you can ask, what do you like to do?
That's a great question. What do you like to do?
To answer, you can say, I like or I enjoy.
Right. For example, I like reading, or I enjoy reading.
Notice we add ing to the verb, reading, cooking, watching.
Let's give some examples of hobbies. What are some common hobbies, Olivia?
Well, many people like watching movies
Oh yes, I like watching movies.
or listening to music. I enjoy listening to music.
What about sports?
Good one. You can say, I like playing sports. For example, I like playing soccer, or I like playing tennis.
Okay, other hobbies could be cooking, drawing, or walking.
Yes, I like cooking. I enjoy drawing. I like walking in the park.
So, Olivia, what do you like to do?
I really enjoy reading books, and I also like cooking.
That's interesting. I like watching movies. I also enjoy playing the guitar.
See, now we know more about each other. It makes the conversation more friendly.
Exactly. So, listeners, think about your hobbies. What do you like to do? Say it now. I like.
Wonderful.
All right, let's explore another common topic in conversations, family. It's a great way to share more about your life.
Definitely. People often ask about your family to get to know you better. A common question is, do you have any siblings?
That's a great idea. Now, let's practice everything we've learned in a longer conversation. This will include name, location, job, hobbies, and family.
Siblings means brothers and sisters. It's a useful word. So to answer the question, do you have any siblings, you can say, yes, I do, or no, I don't.
Good idea. Let's pretend we are meeting for the first time. I will start.
If you have siblings, you can be more specific. For example, I have one brother, or I have two sisters. You just say the number of brothers and sisters you have.
Yes, I do. I have one older sister. Her name is Sophie. What about you, Olivia? Do you have any siblings?
That's a good point. And what if you don't have any brothers or sisters? Then you can say, I'm an only child.
I have a younger brother. His name is David. It's nice to share about our families, isn't it? Okay, I'm ready.
Exactly. I'm an only child. So let's practice, listeners. Do you have any siblings? Take a moment to answer.
Hi, my name is John. What's your name?
Hello, John. I'm Olivia. It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too, Olivia. So where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you, John? Where are you from?
I'm from the United States. I live in Chicago.
Oh, cool. I live in Vancouver. So what do you do, John?
I'm a podcast host. I work on a show called Easy English Studio.
Really? Me too. That's a fun coincidence.
Yes, it is. So what do you like to do in your free time, Olivia?
I enjoy reading books and cooking. What about you?
I like watching movies and playing the guitar.
That sounds great. It was really nice talking to you.
You too, Olivia.
And that's how you have a simple introduction in English.
See? It was easy. We used all the phrases we learned today.
Let's do a very quick review. To say your name, my name is John, or I'm John.
To say where you are from, I'm from Canada, or I live in Vancouver.
To talk about your job, I'm a teacher, or I work as a doctor.
And for your hobbies, I like reading, or I enjoy watching movies.
The most important thing is to practice. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
That's the best advice. Everyone makes mistakes when they learn something new. Just keep trying.
Exactly. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Easy English Studio. We hope this lesson was helpful for you.
Join us next time for another lesson. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye. Have a great day.